Mae Andrew Bennett, 51 oed o Abergele, yn benderfynol o beidio â gadael ei ddyslexia, na'r ffaith iddo golli ei olwg mewn un llygad, ei rwystro rhag cael gyrfa lwyddiannus. Andrew achieved a foundation apprenticeship in sustainable recycling activities and is working towards an apprenticeship with learning provider Cambrian Training. He now mentors his workmates and has been rewarded with a promotion to acting supervisor at Bryson Recycling. Llwyddodd Gavin Williams 20 oed o Landegfan i drawsnewid ei fywyd ar ôl cyfnod anodd pan fu ei dad farw a hefyd bu e'n gaeth i gyffuriau am gyfnod. Cafodd hobyw yrfa fel barbwr gan brentisiaeth sylfan mewn gwaith barbwr a ddarparwyd gan busnes at Llandrillo Menai a dywed i hynny drawsnewid ei fywyd. Gavin is now self-employed at Rubens Male Grooming Salon in Llanfair PG and is progressing to an apprenticeship and is looking forward to enhancing his skill set and the ability to offer a traditional shaving service. Llwyddodd Phoebe McLevy, 20 oed, i oresgyn dyslexia a gwireddu ei breuddwydion ar gyfer gyrfa a chystadlaethau. Mae'n gweithio yn Salon Morgan Edward Caerfyrddin ac ym mis Awst, bu'n cynrychioli'r Deyrnas Unedig yng nghystadlaethau World Scales International yn Kazan, Rwsia, lle enillodd fedal efydd. Having completed a traineeship and foundation apprenticeship in hair at Coleg Sir Gar in Llanelli, she has now progressed to an apprenticeship and says she hopes her story will inspire others.